industry, geological formation of a sinkhole is identified by three specific types. One being a dissolution or dissolution, depending on how you pronounce it or where you're from. And there is a cover subsidence, and then the third one would be a covered collapse sinkhole. And typically, sinkholes are formed through the limestone as being compromised due to acidic rain, or a lot of the rain is acidic. As it percolates and permeates through the soil, the water becomes more acidic, and what happens, there's a chemical reaction between the magnesium in the limestone, the calcium carbonate, and the magnesium carbonate in the limestone, which dissolves the limestone and it weakens the limestone. So over a period of years, hundreds, millions years, this acidic water, groundwater, percolates into the limestone and dissolves it to a certain degree. And as over time, the water continues to permeate and erode the limestone, so when that breaches and breaks to the point where the soil weight of the earth is too much for it to handle, that's when you get that sudden collapse, which is one of the most dangerous sinkhole types, because you don't know where they are, when they're going to happen, and what it's going to take with it. And then there's just a depression from just like the hourglass effect, where soil is permeating and percolating through the limestone, and it never becomes, it kind of refills itself into that cavity, so you don't have any more migration of soil, so you just basically have a depression. If that soil or that limestone broke to a degree, then it could collapse.